Ang Kamara po mag-iimbestiga sa paghawak po ng PhilHealth ng kanilang pondo at posibleng rekomenda ang 1 taong suspensyon sa pagbabayad ng premium. Aba! So, imbestigahan nga po ng Kamara de Representantes kung paano po hinahawakan ng Philippine Health Insurance Corporation of PhilHealth ang pondo po nito. Ito po ay matapos madiskubre ang pagkakaroon nito ng bilyong-bilyong piso na itinuturing na excess o sobrang pondo. Sa kanyang mensahe, bago magsara ang Kongreso para sa holiday break o naka-holiday break na sila, starting December 21 hanggang January 12 ang kanilang holiday break. January 13 pa sila babalik. Alam mo, ikli lang, January 13 to February 7 lang ang resumption. Tapos February 8, bakasyon na naman sila, adjourned na naman sila hanggang June 1.
Oh, kasi
I want to be a congressman.
Oo.
Ang haba ng mga break, So, sinabi po ni Speaker of the House, Martin Romualdez, na gagawin ng investigasyon para maghanap po ng solusyon at matiyak na nagagamit ng tama para sa mga miyembro ng PhilHealth ang bawat pisong nasa pangangalaga nito. Pakinggan po natin pahayag ni Speaker Romualdez.
But this investigation is not about blame. It's about finding solutions. Our goal is clear, to ensure that every peso in PhilHealth's coffers works for the benefit of the members, the hardworking Filipino people who contribute month after month.
So naglatag din po itong si Speaker Romualdez ng ilang rekomendasyon na posible nilang isulong. Kabilang na ito, they're thinking about suspending yung pagbabayad po natin ng ating mga premium contribution sa PhilHealth. Pakinggan po natin muli siya.
If this investigation reveals that existing funds are being underutilized or are in excess of what is needed for current operations, we will pursue the following recommendations. 1. Further expand benefits for members until we reach the vision of zero billing in all hospitals. We will also ensure that PhilHealth provides expanded healthcare coverage, including additional medical services, hospitalization support, and better benefits for those in need. Number 2, further reduce premium contributions for workers and employers burdened by rising costs. We will explore reducing premiums while maintaining PhilHealth's capacity to deliver its services. 3, suspend premium payments for 1 year. If funds remain stable and in surplus, we will recommend a 1-year suspension of premium payments for all paying members. This will serve as a form of relief to millions of Filipinos already grappling with inflation and rising prices.
So nitong nakaraang linggo, tinukoy po ng House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, bukod dun sa 60 billion pesos na excess funds na, alala mo, supposed to be 89.9 ang dapat ibalik sa National Treasury, di ba?
Yeah.
So na-impound na yung 60 billion.
Yung first 2.
Oo, tranches. No? So bukod pa doon, may bilyong-bilyong piso para sa pangangalaga ng PhilHealth hanggang sa matapos ang 2024. Inamin ni PhilHealth President Chief Executive Officer Emmanuel Ledesma Jr. na meron pa silang 150 billion pesos na surplus, 281 billion pesos na reserve fund at investment portfolio na umabot na sa 489 billion pesos nitong Oktubre. Inamin din ni PhilHealth Chief Financial Officer Renato Limsiaco na pinapasok nila sa mga investment yung kanilang surplus fund matapos mapunan ang mga benefit payment.
Let's get together, Sunday 25, Sunday 25.